In this video, connect hosting. Choose a hosting plan. Install WordPress. And install a theme. And now hello, my name is Dmitro. Now we will make your first site. Okay, let's go to the hosting here. First, to choose one of the 3 hosting plans. I recommend choosing a plan for $3.99 per month. The plan includes 200 GB of storage, 100 website and 1 free domain. I recommended paying for at least 1 year because monthly pay is more expensive. Register on the website and pay conveniently way. I already have an account, so I'll log into my account. Go to the website tab. Click the Add website and select WordPress. Create a WordPress account. Enter your email and create a password. Click Next. And now click Create blank site. If this is your first site, click Use temporary domain. We don't need anything on this page. Let's go to the admin panel. Now we go to our website. But for now, this is a standard WordPress site page. Now we will change the theme of the site. We have 3 preset theme, but we click Add new template, install Astra and activate this theme. Now open the Astra page. Click the starter template and install. We will use the classic standard template. Choose a template that you like. Click on it and you will see how it's look. You can download the site logo. Change the font and color palette. Click Continue, skip this step, and now fill in your information and wait. Finally, we go to our site and review it. Click Edit Page and an editor opens. In this we can change image, add and delete new blocks and text. In the next video I will tell you more about the site editor. Subscribe to the channel, click like, write comments and thanks for watching.